Every year, our Tumut paper mill has a maintenance shutdown known as the MSD. This planned pause helps us to keep the mill running smoothly and safely. This year's MSD lasted around 2 weeks and welcomed up to 1,350 extra workers on site each day. Together they completed over 13,000 hours of additional work. Having this many people on site and keeping everyone safe is a logistical feat in itself. We deploy the buddy system on site so no one is left on their own. We get experts from all over the world to safely perform the most sensitive work like cleaning boilers and energy recovery units. And on site we have 36 health, safety and environment officers ensuring safe practices. We start planning for the MSD 8 months in advance. We assess what maintenance is needed, order critical spare parts from overseas and work backwards to set dates and resources. The paper machine we call BP10 often takes the longest because we have to remove and replace every single one of the 13 rolls along the 140-meter long machine. The MSD is a big effort, but it is critical. It helps us maintain high standards, protect our people, and keep them all running at its best for the year ahead.